Hey, welcome to ManKitchenRecipes. I'm Kevin, and man, I got to tell you, I got sent this ASMOKE AS350 to do a review for you. You know, I've been super busy. I'm kind of running out of time, so I won't be doing a cook on this, but I have to show you this because if you're in the market for a portable pellet grill, a smoker, got to show you this because this thing is going to be on sale on Black Friday. That's tomorrow. It may even be on sale right now during the whole Amazon Black Friday sale event. I did look at this and it did have a pretty incredible price, but I'm going to put a link below. You can go click the link below. Also, there's a discount code below as well, right with that link. Okay, so they sent me this AS350. And you know, it's got some awesome new technology to it that I'll tell you about. And they also sent me some ASMOKE Applewood pellets. So let's get this thing unboxed and we'll check it out. There you go. And I don't know, you know, this thing's got some kind of label on here about reading before you remove it. You guys can do that. I'm just gonna remove it. I'm gonna show you, this is out of the box now, but I'm pretty sure we're gonna have to put some legs or something on. Oh yeah, it's got stuff here in the box we'll have to put together, and we'll get these open. I'll get it put together. Okay, so once I got all that white sticker off of there, what a pain that was. Here's the inside. All this stuff came inside. Obviously, I've got to attach some legs, a handle. That's the second rack in here. There's the rack. Here's the heat deflector. Look at there, it does have the flame grilled, just like you've seen on some other pellet grills. And this is the drawer that fits on the front. This is for some liquid, a steam that I'm going to show you, and then this will catch your ashes. I've already taken all the plastic and everything off of this stuff. It slides out like that, so you can empty your ash and clean this with whatever liquid you were using. And then, you know, this ASMOKE has this adapter. I've seen other guys confused about that, and there's a whole explanation here of why you need that adapter, and it has to do with using off-brand pellets. They want you to use the ASMOKE pellets because they burn cleaner, and you know, if you are going to use an off-brand, you're going to need this piece right here. So with that, I'm not going to bore you with putting this together, but it looks like it's going to be fairly simple. I think, you know, the longest part was getting that label off of there. That was ridiculous. So I don't know. It says to read and remove sticker before use, but you know, the sticky stick part stuck on it. So anyway, that's all taken care of. Let's get this thing put together. Okay, there is one thing I want to point out. Definitely read the instructions when you assemble it. Okay. But anyway, so this leg, when you go to put the legs on, the big hole for these screws are already there, but you need to take out these 3 screws right here, and those go back in to hold the legs in place. All right. So if you're looking for the screws for that, they're already in here, here, and here. Take them out, set the leg on there, screw it in. Piece of cake. Okay, honestly, all you really have to do is attach the handle, attach the feet, and attach the tray, the ash catch tray. There's 6 screws that came in this bag. So simple. The rest is just putting the pieces inside the unit. But before I do, I wanted to go over this little plate here. And this is if you're not going to use ASMOKE pellets. The reason is ASMOKE pellets will go down in here and burn in there, and they'll stay lit there. Other pellets, they say you'll need this so that when the pellets fall, they'll fall and stay on here and stay lit. I don't know. I could, you know, right now, it seems like a piece of cake. It just sits in there and your pellets will do what they're supposed to do. But as you get using this, yeah, might be a pain getting this in and out. You know, it's going to be dirty. Maybe you can use some pliers or something, but it does just sit in there. The rest, I'm just going to put this stuff inside, and we'll be good to go with talking more about it. I'll tell you what, it is a really good looking unit. I got the red one. They get blue and orange. You know, and if you're taking it camping, it does have these latches. So when you're done or while you're carrying it, it'll stay together. So that's pretty cool. So let me throw this stuff in here and we'll talk some more about it. Okay, there it is. I mean, this is a good looking portable unit. You know, it has what I really like about it is this sear feature. You know, you can stick a utensil down in there and open and close. You can use your gloves and open and close. It does not have a lever. It would be nice if they put one here on the side that you could use, but you know, maybe you can modify it. The shelf, you know, it has the little hooks right here and right here, so you just hook it right there and set it down. It matches the grate right wherever you hook it, to this side or that side. If I moved it over one, it would be over there. So that adds to your cooking space. Does have a little lip here, so you know, hey, maybe that's supposed to go in the back. Okay, so that adds to your square inches of what you can cook on this thing. Now, one thing, you know, you definitely want to go through the manual. It gives you tips and tricks and tells you all about pellet grilling and all the safety features, but what it doesn't do, it doesn't tell you about the how awesome this thing is. So if ASMOKE, if you're listening, maybe provide like a little brochure if you want to learn everything that it does. I mean, you know, go online. It talks about everything. The ASCA system, automatic steam culinary system. So right here, you can you see that? In here, you can put water, beer, fruit juice, whatever flavor that you want to have in here to help steam your food. You know, a lot of guys will put like a little pan of water in their pellet grill, and that's what this is for, and that will actually infuse some kind of flavor, whatever you've got in there while you're cooking. That's a new technology especially for a portable grill, pellet grill. And so microparticle vapor technology is what that tray is for. It says you can achieve depth of flavor with whiskey, red wine, or any other spirits. Okay, so part of that steaming, it says, and the pellets, the ASMOKE pellets, it's got an auto ashing. So that's the difference in these pellets. They supposedly, I haven't used it, so I don't know for sure. And I haven't seen anybody talk about it. I've only seen it being assembled and talked about, kind of like what I'm doing. But so the ash is supposed to come back down and into this tray down below to make it easy to empty. So it would all fall down in here. So we will be trying it out, just not on this video. Like all or most pellet grills, it's an 8-in-1 barbecue grill, baking, roasting, smoking, searing, broiling, char grilling, you know. And it says if you've got this sear plate open, do not close this lid. Leave that open, because that's when you're gonna, you know, reverse sear something, and you don't really want to close your lid anyway. Okay, also pretty cool. This does have a 5-year warranty, so that is pretty awesome. It says this weighs 52.5 pounds. And it also shows here the ASCA system, improved smoking efficiency, penetrates flavor 66 to 75% faster than conventional pellet grills. It shows a hot air pellet grill versus the superheated steam convection of this AS350. So this thing's got some technology in it if you're into that. Okay, so this has 250 square inches of cooking space, but that also includes if you're cooking up here on this top. This bottom's probably 185, 190. I haven't measured it and done the math. I do believe this is a 4-pound hopper, and it does not have a hopper pellet dump, so you know, whatever you're using, if they don't burn out, they'll stay in there. You just keep this lid closed. It does latch closed. And you know what, I mean, if you want to change your pellets, usually if you want to change, you don't have a whole lot left in there, pour them on top, let the ones you had in there heat up the unit and kind of burn through, and then your new ones will come through. 4 pounds, that will probably burn at least 4 hours, I would say, at least. I know my 5-pound hopper out on another unit does really well, very fuel efficient, and I'm sure if you're using their ASMOKE pellets, it's even better. Okay, it does have a drip tray, a grease tray over here on the side. It does come with one meat probe, and there is one spot. This is a PID controller. It is not Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. When you purchase this, or before you purchase it, download the manual and read the manual. It does have tips and tricks. Tells you all about how to pellet grill. It has recipes. Tells you temperatures, times, all of that good stuff. Man, it's been a long day. I'm sorry if I've been rambling on. Got the latches, pretty cool setup. It's got that steam technology. I'm gonna use it. We'll cook more on it. You'll see cooks on it so I can review it even more. I've got to do a burn off on it. I'm going out of town for Thanksgiving. Just wanted to get this out there for you for Black Friday. I think it's well under $300. Plus there's gonna be a discount code down below. All right, link and discount below. Go check out the ASMOKE AS350. Check it out for yourself. Read all about it. We will see you after the holidays. I hope you have a great holiday, and yeah, come on back, see what I cook on it.